Welcome to our first video of the week about adding and subtracting those wonderful little radicals or square roots. So there's going to be a lot of things that we're still going to use from previous. So we're still going to use the same knowledge and same material, just in a slightly different way. So multiplying and dividing, like so, we're adding and subtracting. For example, you got square root of 6 plus square root of 6. This is like the equivalent of doing x plus x, because x plus x, as remember, gives you 2x. And we have two radicals that have the same number under them. It's basically square root of 6 plus square root of 6, which equals 2 square root of 6. And that would be the answer. And that's as simple as that. So we need to make sure that they're the same before we can combine them. And always reduce first if you can. All right. Then if, for example, if they have, all right, what's the square root of 3 plus square root of 2? Unfortunately, you can't reduce them. And they are different. This is the equivalent of doing like x plus y. They don't really combine, right? So it would stay as x plus y. So in this case, that would already be answered. There's no way you could combine it. So that would be it. All right, next example for us. How about square root of 2 plus square root of 8? All right, so first you'll say that, oh, they're different. I can't combine them. I'm done. No, so first you want to look, see if you could combine, reduce them. Using, remember, these wonderful little things. We've been using those before this whole time. So make sure you still have them handy because we're going to keep using them. So as we've seen before, the 4 is a factor of 8. So that's what we're going to do. The 2 we can't touch it, leave it as is, but factor of 8, 4 times 2. And then of course we split them up. 4 times root 2. Those are multiplying, so we could do it like that. And then of course replace the 4 with 2 squared. And then we're going to square cancel square roots. So we got root 2 plus 2 square root of 2. Now we had the same square root, same values, right? Root 2 and root 2. So you combine them. So that means 2 plus 1 gives us 3 root 2. There's your answer. All right, doing good. Next thing we can do, another example. What if we ask to do root 12 plus root 12? All right. Some of you guys might think, oh, I'll just add them together. I'm going to get 2 root 12. And unfortunately, nope, can't do that. Don't do that. You always want to reduce first. Simplify these numbers first. So look for the factors of 12. They're here on the right side, equal signs. On the left side of the screen there. So 12 goes to 4 times 3. And of course, the other one, 4 times 3. We can split them up. 4 root 3 plus root 4 times root 3. Replace the 4, of course, the 2 squared. And as we know, square cancels square root. That's going to be 2 square root of 3 plus cancel 2 square root of 3. So now we can combine them. They have the same square root value there. So it's like adding up 2x plus 2x. So that gives us 4 square root of 3. There's your answer. All right, doing good. Let's try another one. How about 2 square root of 12 minus square root of 3? Okay, we're doing minus, so that's okay. Because we care about making the numbers under the root first, make them the same first. So I know initially they're not the same, but remember you can reduce them, you can simplify. So factor of 12 is 4 times 3. And then, of course, split them up. Split up the pieces there. So root 4, root 3. And replace the 4 with 2 squared. And then, of course, square cancels square root. So maybe you freeze the 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 3 minus square root of 3. And then now you can subtract them because now they have the same value here. So it's like the equivalent of 4x minus x. That's 4 minus 1 gives you 3 square root of 3. There we go. Hopefully you're doing okay. Doing right there. Just let me know if you have any questions. How about root 15 plus square root of 225 plus this? Well, do a third thing. Why not? Now, think about this. Each one of them, let's see, can I reduce them? Look for a factor. So for 15, square root of 15, I don't see any number here on the left side of the screen that's less than 15 that is a factor of 15. So actually that one I can't touch, right? So that's going to actually stay as root 15. A 225, I found that down there at the bottom right. That is an exact match. They're gonna place it right there at 15 squared. And 3, we can't reduce it either. So in fact, the only thing we can do overall, reduce that 15 square that cancels. So your answer actually is root 15 plus 15 plus root 3, because we can't combine anything else. And that would be actually the whole answer. And that's it. So good job, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. And we are almost done the year. You guys can do this. Keep it going.